All right, this is a 1952 Chevy 3100 three-window truck. Just a fantastic looking and driving truck. It's original frame, Mustang II front end, so you independent front suspension, 5-lug rims. It's got a nice GM rear end with highway gears, so 75 mile an hour, no issues. 350 motor, 350 trans. Like I said, original frame with the Mustang II front suspension. Metal on this truck is in good shape. Floors, cab corners are all nice. Nice interior. Original bench seat. All the windows are good except the driver's window does have cracks. Could use a replacement. Wipers do work. Headlights, brake lights, signals don't. Fired up the gas gauge and the oil pressure in the original cluster works. Does have an aftermarket heat. Does have a heater box. Aftermarket temperature gauge is what in a heat box there. Nice dual exhaust, good sounding, Flowmasters. Power brakes. It's a manual steering truck, but no issues with steering it around even in parking lots. Not really a big deal. Real nice driver. Thumbs up and a lot of looks and attention every time you're out in it. Such a cool truck. It's green and black. There you go.